If you like to know how to get this makeup look right here using makeup products which are underrated, that is, you have never ever heard about them and are absolute gems from the drugstore and also are cruelty free, then please keep on watching. I've already applied the Earth Rhythm moisturizer, and next I'm going in with the Flower Beauty Hydrating Primer. This primer is great for people with dry skin. It will really hydrate your skin and give a great canvas for further makeup to blend on. So I lost my audio for this video, so please don't mind me doing an voiceover for it. Also in this video I'm using all the makeup products that are cruelty free. In general also I only buy products which are cruelty free because I feel the animals shouldn't be harmed for us to apply makeup, correct? So all these products are underrated, no one talks about them, so I thought of showing them. Next is this Essence Primer. This one, if you see my videos, you would know because I really love it, okay? And but it is underrated in generally in other like the YouTube community. So I am blending it using the PAC 219 brush, and it blends seamlessly, make sure the eye makeup stays on for a long time. Next is this eyeshadow palette from Revolution Pro. It's called New Neutrals. This is very underrated, I feel. Again, no one talks about it. It's a great dupe of the Huda New Nude palette. Okay, so I'm setting my eye primer using a cream shade. This palette has a lot of mauve shades, so I'm using this one of these mauve shades on my crease to create depth on the crease. Okay, so as you can see, it is quite pigmented but not a lot pigmented. You need to build it up, and I like that fact because if it is too pigmented it can be a bit hard to blend. Okay, next I'm taking this shimmer to match it to my top, and using my ring finger I'm applying it on my eyes. Okay, so as you can see, this has to be built up a bit, and I like that fact about this palette. Okay, so it's a great palette for beginners also. In this palette I like the fact that it has a lot of mauvey shades which are in trend right now and will suit a lot of Indian skin tones. Okay, next I'm applying this Nykaa gel eyeliner, and I'm using the PAC 121 brush to do so. This gives me a lot of control over my eyeliner. That is why I like gel eyeliners. I don't like liquid eyeliners at all. See, it can give you time to apply your liner properly. With liquid you'll have to be very quick. With this you can take your time and it will give you precision also. You can get it as thin or as thick as you want it to be. Okay, so that is why I like gel eyeliners. Also they are more long lasting in the pot as well as on the eyes also. They are way more long lasting. I in fact use it for my brides. Next I'm using the very underrated foundation, the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation. I see no one talking about it. This is definitely not a new launch or anything, but it has been in the market for a long time actually, and I absolutely love it. It gives you full coverage, it gives you a natural finish and blends like a dream. I have used it on many people and I have loved its finish on every one of them. It will not look cakey at all, blends like a absolute dream. I don't know why people don't talk about this foundation. I absolutely love it. I have used it in a lot of my videos and it's just a gem. I like this one and the PAC HD one. I usually talk more about the PAC HD one because it will suit a lot more skin tones and it has a more shade variety and it is way more dewy also. Okay, this one isn't as dewy, it is more natural finish foundation. Okay, now only problem with this is that it can oxidize on some people. I know that because I have used it on so many people, but on most it won't. Okay, next I'm using the Milani concealer from the same Conceal Plus Perfect range and I'm applying it under the eyes. I like this duo a lot. Okay, now you can see the coverage it gives me. See, it has covered the under eyes so beautifully and is blending in so easily. I absolutely love it. Okay, this Milani duo is bit on the expensive side but so worth it. Okay, next I'm applying the Seri Compact and I'm setting it with a powder brush. Again, a brand I don't see anyone talking about. This is also a good compact, I would say. say. Not great, not the best, but yeah, gets the job done, I would say. Okay, next I'm applying the Cruelty-free Concealer from the same Conceal Plus Perfect range and I'm applying it under the eyes. I like this duo a lot. Okay, now you can see the coverage it gives me. See, it has covered the under eyes so beautifully and is blending in so easily. I absolutely love it. Okay, next time applying the Seri Compact and I'm setting it with a powder brush. Again, a brand I don't see anyone talking about. This is also a good compact, I would say. Not great, not the best, but yeah, gets the job done, I would say. Okay, So using a powder brush, I'm setting it. Next I'm applying blush from this Makeup Revolution blush palette. Okay, this is a great palette if you like applying blushes. Okay, as you can see, I'm going in upwards motions and I'm blending it out seamlessly. Next I'm using the Essence eyebrow gel. If you have bushy eyebrows like mine, you would definitely like it a lot because it will help you fill in the eyebrows and set them in place all in one product. Okay, again, no one talks about it, I have no idea why. Lastly, to finish this look, I'm applying this lip liner from PAC in the shade Coffee and this lipstick from Forever 52 in the shade Iris. Okay, I have recently discovered the magic of lip liner and I must say I'm here for it. I'm not going away with it. So as you can see, I have already applied the lip balm before applying lipstick. I have not removed the lip balm also. I like it because I wanted my lips to feel hydrated. And next I went in with this lipstick. It's a great shade for everyone. This lipstick I don't feel would be as underrated because it was a recommendation of Shreya Jain. So yeah, this one, but I still feel other than her I have not seen a lot of people talk about. Next I am giving a lipstick recommendation which is from Disguise Cosmetics in the shade Nude Poet. Again an underrated one, no one talks about it. So yeah, I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow me over on Instagram. Also, I'm a professional makeup artist and I provide the services of doing makeovers and also teach you makeup in my self makeup courses. So if you would like to know more about any of those services, the details would be in the description box below. You can reach out to me from there. So yeah, till next time, bye bye.